Hello friends, good morning and welcome to Mathematical Adda. We have started our chapter trigonometrical ratios, which in which we have done the previous question in our previous video, and now we are going to do the question number 2 of trigonometrical ratios. This question states that given triangle ACB right angle at C, in which AB is equals to 29 units, BC is equals to 21 units, and the angle ABC is equals to theta. So we will write BC is 21 units and AB is 29. So by Pythagoras theorem, we will find the value of AC first, and then we will determine cos squared theta plus sin squared theta and cos squared theta minus sin squared. Its formula is AB squared gives AC squared plus BC squared. Now we have the value of AB as 29 units, so we will write 29 square is equals to AC has no value, so we will remain it written, and BC has 21 units, so we will write here 21 square. So we will transfer it here. It will become of minus and it will give the value of AC square. So 29 square is 841, 21 square is 441 is equals to AC square. Now the value will become 400 of AC square. Now the value of AC will become 20. And here the 20 units. So we have found the value of AC in our triangle, and now we will determine the values of cos and sin theta. So first we have to determine cos theta value. Cos theta is, the formula is base divided by hypotenuse. So the base in a triangle is 21 units and the hypotenuse is 29 units. So our answer will become of cos theta 21 upon 29, and the answer of sin theta, the formula of sin theta is pi divided by hypotenuse. So the height of a triangle is 20 units and the hypotenuse of a triangle is 29 units. So the value of sin theta will become 29 units. So we have found the values of sin theta and cos theta. So according to these values, we will determine the value of cos squared theta plus sin squared theta. The value of cos theta is 21 upon 29. And it will be squared as there is written cos squared. Plus sin's value is 20 upon 29. And it will be also squared. So the values will become 21 square is 441 and 29 square is 841. 20 square is 400 and 29 square is 841. So as our denominator and denominator are same, these are termed as like fractions. So it will add up to 841 divided by 841. And it will be cancelled out, and the value will becoming of cos squared theta plus sin squared theta 1. So our first answer has came, and the next we will find the cos squared theta minus sin squared theta. So now we will find the values of cos squared theta minus sin squared theta. So our value of cos theta is 21 by 29. Which will be squared, and sin theta is 20 by 29, which will also be squared. Now it will become 441 divided by 841 minus 400 divided by 841. So these are like fractions, so it will the numerator will be directly minus or subtracted, which the answer will we get that 41 divided by 841. So we have found the answers of our equation, which is cos squared theta minus sin squared theta. Right. So we are moving towards our next question, which states that given sec theta is equal to 13 by 12, calculate all other trigonometrical ratios. So our all other trigonometrical ratios are, first is sin theta, which is equals to pi divided by hypotenuse. Second is cos theta, which is base divided by hypotenuse. Third is tan theta, which is height divided by base. And fourth is cot theta, which is just reciprocal of tan theta, which is base divided by height. And our next is cosec theta, which is the reciprocal of sin theta, which is hypotenuse divided by height. And our last is sec theta, which is given to us. So we have taken our value as k. So sec theta is has the formula, which is the reciprocal of cos theta, which is hypotenuse divided by base. So our hypotenuse is 13 k and our base is 12. So as we have found these values, we will find the value of this line also. So by Pythagoras theorem, we will find the value of this line. So 13k square is equals to 12k square plus this line, let's So 13k, the value of 13 square is 169k square, and the value of 12 square is 144k square plus x. So we will transfer it here, and the values will become 169k square minus 144k square is equals to x. Now, subtracting these values will become 25k square is equals to x. Now this value will be get rooted. This value will be get rooted, and this will not be x. This will be x square because the height and base square gives hypotenuse square. These two values will be rooted, and the answer will become so 5k is the value of this line, which is 5k. Now we have found our value of 5k, and now we are going to find all the trigonometrical ratios of the trigonometry by this triangle. So our first is sine theta, which is equal to height divided by hypotenuse. Height of the triangle is 5k and hypotenuse of the triangle is 13k. K and k will be get cancelled, and we will get our value as 5 divided by 13. And our second is cos theta, which has the value of base divided by hypotenuse. So our base of the triangle is 12k and hypotenuse of our triangle is 13k. It will be cancelled out, and the value will we get as 12 by 13. Our next is tan theta, which is height upon base. Height of the triangle is 5k and base of the triangle is 12k. K and k will be cancelled out, and we will get the value as 5 by 12. Now the last second value is cot theta. Cot theta is just reciprocal of the tan theta, which is base upon height. Base of the triangle is 12k and height of the triangle is 5k. K and k will be cancelled out, and we will get 12 upon 4. And our last is cosec theta, which will give us the value as hypotenuse upon height. Hypotenuse is 13k and height is 5k. So the value will become 13 by 5. So this was our third question of the chapter trigonometrical ratios. So we are moving towards our next question, which is question number 4, and it states that if sine theta is equal to 5 by 13, find the value of tan theta plus 1 by cos theta. So the value of sine theta is 5 by 13, which also states that the height is 5 and the hypotenuse is 13. So let you have taken our values as k. So the height of the triangle, which is 5, it will be 5k, and the base and the hypotenuse of the triangle will be 13. So it will become 30k. And now we have to find the base with the Pythagoras theorem according to these values. Its formula will become in this triangle as AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. So AC square's value, AC value is 13k, which will be squared is equals to AB square is AB's value is 5k which will also be squared, and we do not have the value of BC, so we will remain it written as BC squared. Now this value will be transferred here, and it will become 13k square minus 5k square. We'll give the value of BC square. 13 square is 169, k square minus 5 square is 25k square, and will give the value of BC square. Now it will become 144k square after subtracting and BC square. So these two values will be rooted, and the answer will be getting as 12k is BC. So we have got the value of our base by the Pythagoras theorem, which is 12k. Now we are going to find the value of tan theta and the value of cos theta. In order to find this, we are going to find tan theta and cos theta. First, we will be coming as tan theta. The formula of tan theta is height upon base. Height of the triangle is 5k and base of the triangle is 12k. K and K will be cancelled out, and we will be getting the value of tan theta as 5 by 12. Now our second value will be cos theta, from which the formula is based upon hypotenuse. Base of cos theta, base of the triangle is 12k and hypotenuse of the triangle is 13k. So we will be getting the value of cos theta as 12 by 13. Now we will find the value of our main equation, which is tan theta plus 1 upon cos theta. So the value of tan theta is 5 by 12 and the value of cos theta is 12 by 13. This 13 will be transferred up here as it is given, as there are triple fractions. 5 by 12 plus 13 by 12. Or we can write the value of 1 by cos theta as our second value, which is sec theta. Because 1 by cos theta is just equal to sec theta, and 1 by sec theta is just equal to cos theta. So these can be reciprocal, and our values are 5 by 12 plus 13 by 12. As the denominator is same and it is termed as like fractions, so it will be added up. The numerator will be added up and the value will become 18 by 12, which will be cancelled out. As 3 by 2. We can cancel out by the tables of 2 and 3 or 6 directly.